So check out these really cool hair hacks and hair tips to achieve the popular TikToker hairstyle or just some sort of texture in the front of your hair. So the first one is going to be utilizing your fingertips, right? Your hands. And sometimes that makes the best type of styling tool. If your hair is fully dry, right, and you've blow dried it, have some sort of shape in it, I would also suggest using my Tidal Wave as a pre-styler when you do your hair so it has some natural grit and texture. You need that. If your hair is silky straight, very, very flat, very thick, it's not going to be able to just do this as easy unless you had something like Tidal Wave in it when you blow dry it to create that texture. So what are we gonna do? You're gonna bring your hair back like this by running your fingers through your hair, okay? Then you're gonna take your hand and you're gonna create like some sort of circular motion throughout here. Then you're gonna bring the hair down, and now all of a sudden you've got some texture right throughout the front here, like this, and then you're able to go in and restyle it and retweak it, because what that texture is doing, that little, creating that base right there, it's allowing for you to get some movement in there, okay? So again, you're creating a little bit of base here, you pull the hair down like this, bring it back, pull it down, and now you've got these like flips here right in the front. Then you can go in and use something like locked hairspray in order to lock it in. Again, this is something a trial and error, but it's a great hair tip. All right, here's another one, using the fingertips like this. So if you want a lot of texture in your hair, like you want that separation, what you need to do is create it by using your hands like this. So the hair, as you can see, is in between my fingers, right? Each section of hair is in between my fingers like this. So then what you do is while the hair is in your fingers, you can again do that twirl, but now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull down like this, and then you're gonna separate each section, all right? And then what that's doing, it's creating an area for you to focus on like this, and then you can go in and create that, that separation like this to add that texture, okay? To add those kind of like pieces that look a lot more separated. Okay, as you can see, they're almost like you can see through them almost, okay? So you've got one piece right here, right? You can then go in and tweak that. There's another piece right here, right down the middle, and then another piece right here. So it's allowing you to go in and make those separations in the style. All right? Another one is something that's pretty unique, is you run your fingers through your hair like so. Let's bring the mannequin head down. You run your fingers through your hair like so, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the palm of your hand like this and rub it together, right? You're going to rub the hair together like this, and it's almost like making like a fire, right? You don't want to put your hair on fire, but there you go. So now you've got that, and you can then create the separation from this. You can bring the hair back like that, push forward, and then you've got this. You've got the texture. But what that does, creating that that tease, it's almost like creating like a little bit of a base right into here. Then you go in, bring it back, push forward, and then now you've got all this style right here. Okay, you've got all that nice movement in through here, those flips. Now, again, in order to achieve this, you got to have the right hairstyle, the right haircut for this. And I've seen like lots and lots of people trying this. Some are getting it, some aren't getting it. You need, obviously, to have a haircut like this for this to work best. You have to have the right hair texture, the right haircut. Definitely, I suggest using Tidal Wave and then locked hairspray to spray this in. We have the TikToker hairstyle kit, which is very, very popular, which works well. So there you go. If you have any questions or you've tried this, you found these tips helpful, leave a comment below. And don't forget, code YouTube20. That is YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for 20% off and free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.